Hello students, welcome to Price YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class, subject Intelligent Test, and the topic is term that belongs to a set, especially for the war related. So here we are going to see the exercise. So before the exercise, there are some model questions. So common instruction for this one, question number 1. So find the figure that belongs to the group of the figure in a question. So here question figure are there. So there are the total 3 figures in a questions figures, and the answer figure having the 4 options, each having the one figure. So we have to choose the correct one which can be have the same in a group which is available in a questions figure. So here in questions figure, if you see the all the figure having the 4 parts, but that is should be almost be the same equal parts. So for this one, the 4 parts and that is the equal parts means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 2, these are the made by the 2 lines. So 2 is here, these are the 1 2 3 4. So by 4 lines, and these are the in 2 lines means the number of lines are in even numbers. Here the 1 2 and 3, here 1 2 and 3, here 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 3. So even number means only the 4 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 3, so if you count number of the triangles, so they are the 2, number of the circles 3, and this number of the squares means 1 2 3, and these are the 4. So means the triangles counting plus 1 we are getting the circles counting, and plus 1 we are getting the squares counting. So like this one, but here the circles counting is a 1. So with that one, the additions of one quantity means here the 2 category. So that is a mention means circle and the squares. So here also circles having the 2 counting, and this square having the 1 2 and this 3. So 3 counting, and here the 1 counting of the triangle. So for this one, if you count all these one means circles, so 1 2 3 and 4 circles, 1 2 and 3 triangles. So means triangles having the quantity, then circles quantity. Okay, so additions of the one. So like this one, 1 2 3 4 and the 5 counting of the square. So means additions of a 1 in a circles quantity. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 4, this shape is the same here also, in here also, only the rotations is the different. If you rotate and bring it on a same this position, you will find out the same shape. And this is as per this category, this is the different here. Okay, this is a different than this one means mirror image. So this is a different, not in exactly like this one. And this one also, after this rotation, this and this will be matching, but this is matching to this one. If you rotate like this one means to the 180 degree, you will get this figure. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then in exercise, there is a common instruction, find the figure that belongs to the group of the figure in a question. So in question number 1, if you observe all these 3 figures, you will find out the inner and the outer. These are the different shapes. So but here the same shapes inside and outside. Here also the same shape, here also the same shape, but here the different shapes means which is a same like a question figure. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Then from this figure to this figures means interchanging of these 2 shapes and interchanging of these 2 shapes. So we'll with continuing these ones means opposite shapes, or we can say the symbols are interchanging their positions. So for this one, triangle will be the at the top one. So triangle at the top means this one, and the bottom side the this minus sign here, and this plus sign will be in the right side, and this circle will be in the left side when this is the correctly matching. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 3, so if you rotate these figures in these directions, you will get this one means 180 degree and then 45 degree. You will find out this one. After this one also you will rotate, or from this one if you rotate something 90 degree, you will get this one means the figure is the same one, only the rotation is the different one. So with matching this one, the option number 3, after this rotations just slightly here, so this is suppose this direction and this is in this direction, so you will get this one. Other are in a different way, means in a mirror image. So that's why option number 3 is a perfectly matching with question number figure. Now question number 4. So the curves are here in a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this number of the curves are always be in even number. So for continuing this one, option number 1 having the same criteria, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So this one is a perfectly matching with question figure. Then question number 5, these are the water reflections. So with continue this one, this is a not a water reflection, this is a different one. So this question number 3, option number 3 is a perfectly matching with this one, and these are the lines are different ones. So this is not a water reflection. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. So question number 6, here the number of the petals are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also the triangles 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here the circles are the 1 2 3 4 5 6. So with continuing this one, and the symmetrical part is here, so which can be matched to the option number 2 is the correct one. In option number 1, outer are the same but inner one is the different one. So that's why option number 1 cannot be referred. Only the option number 2, means this arc or having the all having the counting 6. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 7, the number of lines, if you count 1 2 3 4 5, here 5, here 3, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So these number of the lines are in odd number. So for this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here the 6. Now to matching this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, here the 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So here the 9 odd number comes. Here 1 2 3, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the 6 lines are there. So that's why odd number means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 8, the same figure is here, only the difference is the rotations of this one. So at the center, if you rotate, this arrow will comes here and this circle will be comes here, means that side. So these are the same figures, only the difference in the rotation. So to find out in the perfect rotations, so this is a somewhat we, or we can say that perfectly matching this one. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 9, so if you observe, these 4 symbols are having the 4 sides aside, okay, not each near to each others. Now here the near to each others, so option number 1 is the incorrect one. Then in these options, here these are the in nearest one, so this option number 3 also incorrect one. Now if you observe, means the this cross signs and then this triangle signs, means this triangle is, if you rotate like this one, this is ahead of this cross. So with continue this one, this is the behind this one, okay. So option number 2 is the incorrect one. Now here cross ahead is a triangle, so like others also is the same. So that's why option number 4 is the perfectly as per the rotations from these figures. Now question number 10, so these 2 are a mirror image of each others. Here also the mirror image, here also the mirror image, and continuing this one, so this is not a mirror image, this is a not a mirror image, and this one is also a not mirror image. So that's why option number 2, means these are the arrows having the mirror image each others. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. So question number 11, so number of the this cross and these circles having the we can say the cross having the 2 in quantity and this circles having the 4 quantity, means double of this cross having the circles quantity. Here also 1 and here also 1, means we can say 2 and 4, means this is the 6 in quantity, means even number. Here also the 2 quantity, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 in a quantity. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6, so the total 6, means these are the in even numbers. So to continuing this one, the option number 1 having the even in a quantity. Now question number 12, if you observe this square then circle, and then triangle, and inside also the small the cubical shape with a solid this one. So inside always be there is a solid cubes, okay, or we can say shaded cubes. So that will be the continue. But after this one there is a one square, one triangle, and the one square circle. Here also one circle, one triangle, and the one square. Means the triangle, circle, and the squares are should be there. But here the two circles are there, so that's why this is incorrectly. Then here option number 2 having these two squares, so that's why this is incorrectly. Then here the two triangles are there, so this is incorrectly. But here one triangle, one square, and the one circle, so that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 13. If you observe these first two figures, they are the only interchanging at the bottoms and at the top. Means these two are interchanging and these two symbols are interchanging. So continuing these ones, so only these two symbols and these two symbols will be interchanged. So then the fourth figure will comes. And for this one, if you observe, this option number 3 is perfectly matching with interchanging of these two symbols. But here this is the same like this one, and the triangle having the different position, so that's why this is different one. And here all are the hollow in a top one and solid are in a bottom side, so these are the totally different ones, so that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 14. So there are the two similar shapes, or we can say the figures, but in a different size. So here also this one, if you rotate this one, this shape and this shapes are the same. Here also both the shapes are the same, only difference in the size. So continuing this one, these two shapes are same. Here the different, here the straight line, so this is different shapes. Here the same shapes but different in orientation. This is also the same shape, so that's why option number 2, 3, and 4 are incorrectly. Only option number 1 is the correct one. So two shapes but in a different size. Then question number 15. So these two are like a clock's two hands but 90-degree each others. Here also the same, only the difference in a rotation. Here also the same, only in difference in a rotation. But here if you see obtuse angle, here also obtuse angle, and here also obtuse angle, and here the right angle, so that's why option number 4 is a matching to this one. Question number 16. If you observe this small, or we can say the half circle having this arrow, here also same, and this top one having the half circle, here also same, and here also same. Now these three figures have only the orientation of the, or we can say the rotations, means orientation is different, but the image is the same one. To matching this one, this is a different one and this is also the different one. Now arrow is here different one, actually this should be for this one. So the option number 2 is a perfectly matching this arrow and this half circle also, okay. So option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 17. If these are the two half circles having the two quantity, the lines also the same in quantity. So means 2 here, the 2 lines. Here also the same in quantity. This half circle is a 1, so line also the 1. Now here half circles 3, line is a 3. So to here matching with this one, so option number 4. So 4 half circles and 4 lines are here. Here the half circle 3 but lines are the 4, so this is a different one. Here the lines 2 but half circles 3, so this is the wrong one. And here the 4 half circles, the 3 lines, so this is the wrong one. Only option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 18. So here triangle having the 3 lines, so but inside the 2 lines. Outer this square having the 4 lines, inside triangle having the 3 lines, means one line is getting reduced for the inner shape, okay. So outer having the hexagonal 6 lines, inner having the pentagon 5 lines, like this one. So the option number 3 having the pentagon outside and inner is a square, means the 4 lines, so this is the perfectly matching with this question figure, so option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 19 and the 20 almostly same. So here if you observe the half of this, means from the center, this side and this side the symmetrical, here also the same, here also the same. So for this one, X is a shape which is can be from the center, this left side and the right side also the symmetrical, others these alphabets cannot be, so that's why option number 4 is the correctly. And here also the option number 4 correctly on a same criteria we can apply. Then question number 21. So this is the chess board. So this is the, and these are the cubes, and these are the caroms. So means these are the indoor games. So for this one, now here cricket, here the football, and here the volleyball. So these are the outdoor games, but here the playing cards means this is the indoor game. So option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 22. This is the pen, pencil or fountain pen. This is the writing tools. So for the writing tools, this is a chalk. So this is the writing tools which can be used on a blackboard. So for option number for question number 22, option number 4 is the correct one. So question number 23. This is the sun, moon, and the stars. So with same category. So option number 4. This is the Saturn. So this is the planet. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 24. This having the flames. So means these are the diya or the samai. So for this one, the mombatti means this candle is shown here. So option number 1 is the correct one. Other are the not having the flame. So that's why they are the different one. So option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 25. As per the pictures, they are making the musics. So music is shown in option number 4, which is a singing part of the music. Then question number 26. These are the closed shapes. So closed shape is given in option number. Then question number 27. This is the slanting line, and slanting line is given in option number 4. Now question number 28. So if you observe question figures, the question, all these 3 figures are the same, only the rotation, or we can say the orientation is different. So to match these ones means this shape means from this one the line comes, and here the line meet at the outer or with the concave shape, and here the convex shapes. So for this one, the option number 2 is a perfectly matching to this question figure. So question number 29. So these all the figures have the number of lines, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are the 7 lines. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. Here also the same. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also the same. Means all the shapes can be made by the 7 lines, and 7 lines are in option number 4. Means here the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the this is the 7. So here are the 7s. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 30. So these are the quadrilaterals, and quadrilaterals shown in option 2 only. So this is the symmetrical figures. So question 30 having the option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 31. If you see, the symbols are the same symbols are present in a 3 figures. So with matching this one, so option number 3 is the same here. Now here in this one, this symbol means the division symbol is absent. Now here this symbol is absent, and in this one again the division symbol is absent. So that's why option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 32. If you see this one, these are the quadrilateral but having the 90-degree at least one angle. Okay, so we can say the figure having the one right angle. So here the figure also have these right angles here. So that's why option number 4 is the correct. So if you observe this question number 33 is all the figures. So this figure and this figure means these are the water reflection by the A. This one is the water reflection, so this is shown at the adjacent here. So for this same, option number 3 is a water reflection. So this is a mirror, this is also the mirror image, and this is also the mirror image. So these are not a water images. So water reflections only in option number 3. So for question number 33, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 34. The outer shape having here the 3 sides. So that's why 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, there is a 2 equal parts, or we can say the parts are made here inside one. So now here the outer are the 6 sides, but inner 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 parts there. Here outer are the 4 lines. So here 1, 2 and 3 parts are there. So as per this one, this is the outer having the 5 lines, and inner 1, 2 and 3 parts are made. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 35. If you observe here the two circles, here also the two circles and here also the two circle, one triangle and one square, here also one triangle and one square, one triangle and one square, or we can say the rectangular also we can say. So to matching this one, here the two circles, one triangle and the one square. Here the two squares are there, but circle only one. So that's why option number 4 is incorrect. Option number 3 is the correct one. And in option number 2, here are the two triangles are there. So option number 2 is incorrectly, and here two squares are there, but only one circle. So that's why option number 1 and the 2 is incorrectly. So option number 3 for question number 35 is the correct one. Then question number 36. So here the two triangles which is a less in one quantity by the number of the circles, and number of the rectangulars are 1. So this one quantity, this triangles having the 2 quantity and circles having the 3 quantity. Means suppose one quantity of the rectangular, so there is additions of the 1 means 2 quantity in a triangle. So same here also. Now here this rectangular having the 3 quantity, circle having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in quantity, and this triangles having 1, 2, 3 and 4 in quantity. Means this is the same like this criteria. Here also the rectangular having the 2 in quantity, circle having the 4 in quantity, and this triangle having the 3 in quantity. Means the same criteria, and with matching this one, option number 1 is a perfectly. So here the rectangle having 2 quantity, circle having the 4 quantity, and the triangle having the 3 quantity. Means the sequence of this triangle, rectangular and the circles quantity are symmetrical. So that's why option number 1 is the correct one. Thank you.